Before you spend money on a loudness plugin like Ulean or Isotope Insight, Logic Pro 12 already has a built-in tool that's good enough for most releases. It uses the same EBU R128 standard as the paid meters, and it measures exactly the values that Spotify, YouTube, and Apple Music care about. Paid plugins give you nicer graphs and a few extras, but if your goal is to get a track ready for streaming, you don't need them. Let me show you how it works in under 2 minutes. Open your project. On the stereo out channel, click an empty audio effect slot. Choose Metering, then Loudness Meter. Place it as the last plugin in the chain, after your limiter, so it measures exactly what your listeners will hear. You'll see 3 values, M, S, and I. M stands for momentary, the current loudness right now. S stands for short term, a rolling average. And I stands for integrated. That's the value that matters for streaming because it represents the average loudness of your entire track. Now click Start. Play your song from beginning to end. Don't skip any sections. The meter needs the full track to calculate the integrated value correctly. When playback finishes, look at the I value. For Spotify and YouTube, aim for around -14 LUFS. For Apple Music, around -16. If your track is much louder, the platforms will turn it down and your mix loses punch. That's it. One plugin, one number, one of the most important checks before you release a track. If this video helped, consider subscribing. I make Logic Pro tutorials for beginners that get straight to the point. See you in the next one.